In this video, we'll show you how to change the sway bar bushings on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Chevy Silverado safely. Turn the brake disc inward to make this operation easier. You can now see your car's end link. It's common for the components being removed to be seized up, so don't hesitate to brush them and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a 15mm wrench, unscrew the upper ball joint retaining nut on the sway bar end link. Stop the sway bar end link from rotating using a ratchet and a 15mm socket. Remove the upper nut and the bushing. On this model, the sway bar end link is often jammed in the axle, so don't hesitate to rotate the axle on the end link to unblock it. You can also use pliers to help you. Remove the link. Then remove the axle. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two sway bar bracket retaining bolts. Then remove the metal bracket. Remove the bushing. Hey! It's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Clean the sway bar with a wire brush or abrasive sponge. Also, clean the contact surface between the bushings and the body. Finish with brake cleaner and wipe with a paper towel. Also, brush the bracket retaining bolts. Then apply medium-strength thread locker to prevent accidental unscrewing. You can order the parts used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Install the new bushing. Then screw the metal bracket back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Using a cylindrical brush and paper towels, clean the area where the new sway bar end link will be fitted. Take the new link. Apply copper grease to facilitate the installation. Put the bushing back in place on the end link. Install it in the lower control arm. Install the bushing and washer. Then install the axle. Install the second washer and bushing. Then insert the link in the sway bar. Install the upper bushing and washer. To tighten the sway bar end link retaining nut in the vehicle on the ground position, you need to support the lower control arm with a jack. Next, screw the nut back on until it's tight. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Remove the jack. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.